What is good, Beane gang? This your girl Crystal, and y'all know I am back once again with another freaking video, y'all. I know y'all see my background. I know, again and again, it just keeps snowing, you guys. It keeps snowing. It will not stop snowing right now, you guys. I'm getting off work. I'm getting off early because it is bad out here, y'all. I don't like driving in bad situations. Rain and snow, I do not like. I can't do it. So right now you have to let my car warm up because and that's all y'all hear in the background is my car. That's my car warming up, you guys. So right now I'm letting my car warm up, and I'm letting my windshield wipers not in the back is not moving. So I have to step outside, you guys. I do not like, I don't want to go outside. It's too cold. It's too cold. It's too cold, you guys. I'm finna just try to go outside and back. So leave in the comments what state or city you guys are in, and like what's y'all weather, because Illinois is bad. It's bad, you guys. So right now I'm just letting my car warm up because I'm not gonna go nowhere without my car warming up. Okay, and then I'm letting the windows heat too because I'm gonna have to go out in the back, y'all. I'm gonna have to go back there. I'm gonna have to go back there and go outside. So let's see if y'all can see me. Hold on. Wish me luck, you guys. I didn't want to lift up the trunk, y'all, to get the snow blower, the snow brush, because what difference does it make, y'all? I gotta turn this heat up, y'all. Oh, my fingers. Oh, man. Oh, God, it's so cold, you guys. It's freezing. Okay, you guys. I think I'm kind of warm a little bit. Look at my jacket. Okay. Okay, you guys, right now I'm going to go ahead and drive because it's just bad. I'm going to show y'all outside how it looks out there, and it's so bad, you guys. So keep it tuned for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Beane gang, because y'all know we are lit over here. And y'all, I want to thank, I really appreciate each and every person that watches our videos. Like, I thank y'all. I appreciate all the comments, all the just the love that y'all support us small YouTubers. Like, I really appreciate it. I love making content. I love showing y'all raw footage of us doing us, being us as a family, and just not faking it for nothing. Like, I really want to show the world real life stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what's going on in this little world of ours, the noise. So Keep it tuned, y'all. Y'all, look out here. This is by my job. Just look. Look at all this snow, you guys. Pray for me. Leave in the comments. Pray that I get home safe and sound, y'all. Because this is crazy. This is insane. This is insane, guys. Look at my windows. Look at my windows. Excuse me for the. Look at my windows, you guys. It's so cold. Alright, you guys. I am driving. Oh, God. I've been driving for at least 20 minutes now. And I'm gonna say 10-15 minutes now. And I don't know what's going on up here, you guys. I hope everything is fine. I hope someone who up here is fine. Pray. I need some pray emojis in the comment section below, you guys. I want to know what's going on up here. I hope I can get past something, like, because your girl got to get home. It's cold. My feet is still frozen. Alright, you guys. I just wanted to recap you guys on where I'm at. And I'm doing fine driving. So, alright, guys. Keep in tune for this video, you guys. Alright, you guys. I am almost to my children. So, this ride has been the worstest ride I ever been on. Like, for one, people do not know how to drive in snow. And for two, people don't know how to drive in snow. Like, I mean, we not in a rush, you guys. We can't go anywhere. There's nothing to do. We still wearing masks and there's still a virus out here. And people just do not understand that. I know I'm trying to go home, but I'm not rushing. I don't want to get into an accident, and I do not want to get into an accident, and I don't want to hurt anyone, and I don't want to get hurt. So I just want to get home to my children, get in some nice PJs, and chillax, you know. So you guys, I am about 5 minutes away from my kids. So let's get there safe and sound. So
a few moments later.
alright, you guys. Your girl is home. I've been did everything. I didn't took a shower. Now, say hi, mommy. Y'all, she got an attitude problem. I don't know why. And Mr. Calvin right here. Oh, you guys. Come on, Calvin.
What's up?
Y'all, you saw all that snow out there. Tell me about all that snow.
Yeah, it's a snow blizzard up there. Why couldn't we stay up there?
You want to stay out there?
No, why couldn't we stay up there?
I saw them. Calvin, what's wrong? What's wrong with y'all?
What's wrong with y'all, man?
Alright, y'all. So right now, I just got the shower, just refreshing my body. Just feels so good, you guys. I still didn't put up the groceries that I had got when I was at work. It's still downstairs on the floor. I'm gonna show you guys what I have.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get this.
He always got something to say, but I'm finna go ahead and go. I'm finna go ahead and go ahead. I'm finna go ahead, you guys, and go put up the groceries. I hope these two let me do it. But it's not gonna happen. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna show y'all what I got and put it up and whatnot. He won't leave me alone, you guys.
All he gonna play with ears.
Calvin, why you wanna play with ears? Tell Beane Gang why you playing with ears. Yeah, he's terrible. Look at Miss Christy. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy.
Maybe.
Well, y'all know she in her mood when she watches her TV. She don't bother nobody. Nobody bothers her.
Yeah.
But right now, you guys, I'm going ahead and stop procrastinating as my kids always do and go ahead and put this stuff away. Alright, you guys, this is all the little groceries that I had gotten when I was at work.
A brush.
And Calvin just won't let me be great. So you guys are gonna go ahead and put these groceries up. I'm gonna let you guys sit here and watch me. So keep in tune for this video. Alright, you guys, I am done putting up the groceries. I'm gonna show you guys the progress, what I have put up. So I have lots of liquid.
People push me off of the bed.
Fruits, liquid yogurt. And I bought some more raviolis and some chicken noodle soup, vegetables. Oh, that's kind of empty up there, y'all see all that, but this is what I replenished up in here, you guys. So that pretty much is it, what I have put up. But before I go, I'm gonna show y'all outside in front of my house. It is a total disaster, you guys. Move them shoes over. Look at all this snow, you guys. Oh my god, it is a lot of snow. Look at all the snow. Yeah, it's snowing. I don't know how Mr. Drip gonna get up in here, but he gonna make his way, y'all. Oh, it's cold. Let's get in here.
Oh!
It's a mess out there, you guys. I hope y'all safe and sound in the house. If y'all not in the house, make sure you guys get to where you guys need to get to and get there safe. I want to thank you guys for watching this mini little vlog that I had done for you guys.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I like to keep you guys updated on our lives because you guys have been so good to us. So we want to show you guys a little appreciation. We was doing a giveaway, did nobody want the giveaway, so we're going to try to do something special for you guys. So I want to thank you guys for liking, comment, and subscribing to the Beane Gang, because y'all know we live over here. So keep in tune for new content coming, you guys. My name is Crystal and I'm signing out. Peace.